What up, people? Coach V, New Breed Boxing. In the ring and in life, the shot you don't see coming is always the one that hurts the most. Whether it's a punch in the face or getting T-boned at an intersection, at least if you can see it coming, you can psychologically prepare and brace yourself for impact and then plan your follow-up maneuvers, right? Because I don't care how good you are offensively, once you can't really keep your eyes on the picture sight, all your skills go out the window and you're just a target waiting to get hit. So when guys come to me and they tell me they want to get in the ring, I got one little test they got to pass. And this is something you new guys can work on at home, even if you have no experience, and it's going to definitely help you a lot in the ring. The blink test. Take a pool noodle and have somebody try to hit you in the face, right in the eyes in particular, as hard as they can, and see how long it takes you to inoculate yourself to the point where you don't blink. Because like I said, if you can see it coming, then you can process what's going on and then keep your head in the game and stay in the fight and then plan your next move right then and there. Because if you think about it, if somebody blinks, the average person takes a half a second to get their eyes back on target, right? In boxing, you can throw and land, depending on your weight class, up to 2 or 3 super hard punches on your opponent. And this is something I teach my new guys when they fight novice. There's a lot of guys that even if they can punch harder, they're good offensively, if you can hit them with a good jab or feint them convincingly enough to make them blink, I tell them that follow-up shot should be as hard as you can. Go for the knockout. And if you don't get it, I can guarantee you they'll still be in, discombobulated long enough so that you can follow up with a super quick attack and then maybe get them out of there on the TKO. So anyway, that's a little tip for you new guys. Tell me if you think this was informative. Put that in the comments section. Like, subscribe, comment, share. Go check me out on Instagram at coach.v_. Till the next time, we out of here. Ow.